Hello and good morning. Welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Bagwala Borsad. Myself Ketan Rathod. Today we will learn subject Max Standard 5th, chapter number 5. Does it look the same? In previous video we have learned about half turn and we have solved its exercise. Today we will perform another activity. So let's begin the activity. Okay, let's start an activity. What are the things required for activity? So which are they? Let's see. Sheet of paper, scissor, colors, push pin and stick. These many things you require for this activity. So let's begin the activity. First step, you have to take a sheet of paper. You can see in the picture. Now fold this paper from one side. You can see in the picture. Now the remaining part which is there in this picture, you can see that you have to cut. After cutting it, you will observe the shape is in triangle shape. Now you have to open this triangle shape. It will look like a square. Now you have to fold this square again 2 times. You can see in this. Now again you have to open this paper. It will look like a square. Now you have to draw a circle in the center of the paper and you have to draw 4 lines from corner to circle. You can see in the picture. Now what you have to do? Now you have to cut this red line from corner to till the end of circle. You can see in the picture. Okay. Now next step is what you have to do now? You have to take 4 corners and you have to push a pin. You can see in the picture. Now you have to take a stick and push this pin into the sticks and your windmill is ready. You can see in the picture. You also have to make like this windmill at home. Now on the basis of this windmill we have to solve 2 questions. Which are the 2 questions? Let's see. Let's solve 2 questions one by one. First question, does your windmill looks the same on 1/4 of turn? First of all, what is 1/4 that we have to learn? What is 1/4? We have learned already in fraction in 4th standard. So suppose this is a whole. This is a whole. If we divide this whole into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1/4. Each part is called 1/4, or we can say quarters. Now I will show you windmills. Now in windmills you can see there are 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each part is 1/4. So if we rotate this windmill into 1/4, does it look the same? Does it look the same? Yes. Once again, if we rotate this windmill into 1/4 turn, so I am rotating, you can observe here. What do you think? It looks same or not? Yes, it looks the same. So our answer is yes, it looks the same on 1/4 of turn. Now we will move to next Question number 2. Does it look the same on half a turn? Discuss. Now, what is half you know? Suppose this is whole, and if we divide this whole into two equal parts, then each part is called half. Now, if we rotate the windmill into half, does it look same or not? Let's see, this is a windmill and this is half of the portion, this is half and the remaining part is also half. If we rotate this windmill into half from here to here, does it look the same? Yes, it looks the same. So our answer is yes, it looks the same on half a turn. Hope you have understood both the question and its answer. Now we will move to next topic, that is 1/4 turn. That is 1/4 turn. So let's begin it. We have already learned 1/4 turn in activity. 1/4 means 1/4 means we can say quarters. We can say quarter. Suppose this is a fan. Now fan has 4 blades. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can say it has 4 parts. Each part is called quarters. If we rotate this fan into 1/4, then how it looks? Does it look same or not? Yes, it will look the same, because this blade will come here, this blade will come here, this blade will come here and this blade will come here. So you will observe same fan, but their blade position will be changed, but it looks the same. Practice exercise. Question number 1. Amongst the following shapes, find out which one would look the same after 1/4 turn. Put a tick mark. You have to look the picture. I have 2 pictures, you can see here 2 pictures, and if you rotate into 1/4 turn, then whether it is looking same or not. If it is looking same, then you have to do tick mark, and if it is not looking same, then you have to do cross marks. Now you can look here 2 pictures. I will show one by one. First picture, I have divided this picture into 4 equal parts, means 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. You have to see the triangle, whether the triangle will remain same on 1/4 turn, that we have to see. So let's see. So this is, now I am rotating 1/4. Does it look the same? Does it look the same or not? No, it does not look the same. So we have to do cross mark. Next picture is window. This is a window picture. Now here also we have to see whether it looks same on 1/4 turn or not. So let's say it, I am rotating it into 1/4 part. Does it look the same? No, it does not look the same. So here also it will come cross mark. Now we will move to next question. Question number 2. Put a cross marks on the shape that not look the same after half a turn. Means when we do half turn of these 2 images, whether they look same or not, that we have to see. So now I am rotating these 2 picture, whether they look same on half turn or not. So half turn means this side will come downside. Okay, so I am rotating this into half turn. Does it look the same? No, it does not look the same. So cross marks. Next picture, it is picture of window. If we do half rotation of this picture, does it look the same or not? So let us do. This is half. Okay, when we rotate this into half, means this picture will come, this side will come downside. Okay, in this picture you can say that the picture is remain same on half turn. So here we have to do tick mark over here. Hope you have understood these two questions. Now we will move to next question. Question number B. Question number B. Try and change the shapes in such a way that the new shapes remain the same on giving it half turn. We have to rotate this shape into half turn. Does it look the same or not? So let's see one by one. If we see the first picture, on rotating it, this upper portion will come downside, means it will not remain same as the picture is. Now next picture, if we rotate this into half, means this will come downside and this will come upside. Means here color change, that's why it will not remain same. Now in this picture, if we rotate this shape, then the shape will not remain same because this extra circle will come on this side. So that's why it will not remain same. Now last picture, if we rotate this picture into half, then also this picture will remain same. So these are the pictures. Out of them, only one picture is there that will remain same. Now we will move to next question, question number C. Last question of today, question number C. Draw what the following shapes would look like on 1/4 turn and half a turn. We have to find out of this shape, which shape will remain same on 1/4 turn, which shape will remain same on 1/2 turns. So let's find out. First one is triangle. If we rotate into 1/4, if we rotate into 1/4, then it will not remain same. If I rotate this triangle into 1/4, then it will not remain same. Not remain same. Now if we rotate into half turn, then it will remain same. It will not remain same. Second number picture, if we rotate this square into 1/4 part, if we rotate the square into 1/4 part, then also it will remain same. So remains same. Now whether it will remain same in half turn? Yes, it will remain same. Remain same. Next question, C number, rectangle. If we rotate into 1/4, then it will look like this. It will not remain same. So not remain same. Does it remain same in 1/2 turn? Yes, if you rotate this into half, then also this side will come downside, and means this side will come downside and this side will go upside. So it will remain same. So we can say remain same. Last picture, hexagon. If we rotate into 1/4 turn, does it remain same or not? So 1/4 means this part will come this side and this part will come this side. so it will not remain same as this picture. So not remain same, and whether it will remain same in half turn. So if we do half turn, then this side will come upside and this side will come downside, means it will look as it is. So it will remain same. So we can write remain same. Hope you have understood all the topics of today. Thank you.